Bitcoin right now, we're sitting at $19,141. We're down about 1%. What I want to do here is take a look at Bitcoin on the 1 week time frame. We're going to work into the 1 hour time frame so we can get some good detail. I'm going to go over some bullish, some bearish things. So hopefully you get some from this. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated. And let's dig into this. So first of all, guys, it's always important to look at the bigger view. So we're going to be looking at the weekly time frame right now. And on the weekly, we're still struggling for Bitcoin here. We are trading below our 200-week moving average, which you can see is in white here, and that's at $23,400. So that's an area we're going to have to keep an eye on. And one thing we've been struggling with here is the fact that we dropped below it. We traded below it here for about 6 weeks, 7 weeks. We hit this 200-week. We had a candle close up above it, and then we lost it. And you can see the strong bearish candle that we had to the downside here. So we were getting that rejection and showing that we didn't have enough strength to stay up above it. So that's definitely something that we have to look at on the bearish side, which shows that we're a little bit weaker here. Because if we go back through Bitcoin, guys, mostly when we're in bull markets or we're making a move to the upside, we are up above this 200-week moving average. So the fact that we've traded below it for so long, we bounced up, we saw rejection, then we went down even lower, that's something that we do have to pay attention to. It's significant. So I'm not saying that can't change in the matter of an hour in Bitcoin. You know how those big $10,000 candles can come in and everything could change. But for right now, when we're just taking a look at this here, this is something that we do need to pay attention to. Now, the best hope that we could have, in my opinion, is that we can hold this $17,600 or so, and this could be some type of a double bottom, and then we can get moving from there. But as of right now, guys, with being below the 50, being below this 200 moving average, if we turn on these as well, we are even trading below our 8 moving average, or 8 EMA, and our 21 EMA as well. So we're trading below everything there, and that's just showing that the bears have full control right now. So keep that in the back of your mind. And what I would say is don't rush positions. You don't have to be in at this spot. I would wait for better confirmation. Now, if we go to some of our technicals here on the weekly time frame, relative strength's at 33, so we are almost in that oversold territory. So that's something that we're getting closer, which is good. VWAP is still in the negative. We're at negative 2.30, but that has been gaining just a little bit of strength, and our money flow is negative 8.79. So that still is in the negative. We're going to keep a close eye on that money flow. So next, we're going to get into the 1 day time frame, and also let me know what you guys got going on this weekend. I'm going to be doing a lot of working around the yard, mowing, weed eating, all that type of fun stuff. So I'm going to be working on that. I'd love to hear what you guys have going on. It's always interesting. All right, so on the 1 day time frame here, our range that we're looking at is $17,600 up to around that $25,225. So that's going to be the areas that we've been chopping in back and forth here. We've just been ranging for the most part, but still we're trading below our 50 moving average and our 200 moving average there. Our 50 is going to be at $21,130. If we turn on the 8 and 21 EMA, we're also trading below those right now. So in my opinion, I just don't need to rush you guys. I don't need a position right now. I'm going to wait for more confirmation, even if that's at a higher level. And we've been talking about this since $50,000. So I just want to continue to drive that home, because the last cycle in 2017, I always felt like, I got to try to nail the bottom, this or that. Guys, you don't have to nail the bottom. Once the bottom's put in, there's going to be plenty of time in an uptrend and tons of percentage that you can still get. You do not have to nail the bottom. So that's going to be one of the main things that I'll continue to preach here, and really focus on that risk management right now and learning as much as you can. So on the 1 day time frame, relative strength is at 42, so we still aren't above that 50 showing strength. VWAP is better than the weekly there. It's at 1.31, and that's to the positive, so that's good. But money flow still is at negative 5.20 right now. So keep an eye on that. The main areas I would look for resistance, if we can get a little bit of a move about 21,300 in terms of support, we need to hold around that $18,200 right now. If we get into the 4 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour, we're still trading below this 200 moving average on the 4 hour time frame. And this is a powerful signal. If you go back and you take a look here, guys, the 200 moving average for the 4 hour time frame, look up here when we lost it. Can see, and it came on heavy volume. We traded below it from $42,000 all the way till we broke it here at about $20,000. So those are huge percentage moves right there. And even to the upside, guys, let's see, around that 20,000 or so, and it got all the way up to 25,000. That's another nice move. So we're looking to see if we can break back above that with conviction. You can see we tried to get up above it here, and we gave it all back. But it's something that you kind of want to trade in line with. If that makes sense. Look up here, same deal. And while we're in this bear market, I want to teach you guys this stuff. Look over here. When we broke it to the upside, we were at 33,000. We ended up dropping through to about 47,000. That's a beautiful trade right there. You can see another one right up in here when we lost it there. Main thing is you just don't want to look at this when it's sideways. Sideways is going to chop you up back and forth. You want to see those trends developing. And when we cross through, you want to have it on heavy volume. That's really going to help you. So on the 4-hour time frame, same deal, guys. We need to get up above that, and that's going to be at 20,172. Then if we get into the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, still are trading below our 200 here. So that'd be the first thing, guys. We need to get up above that. We need to close up above it with conviction and get moving here. You can see we tried here. Same deal, just fell right to the downside there. So really showcasing that weakness. And that's going to be at $19,316. We need to get up above that. We need to keep these higher lows coming in here. So we had a low at 18,200. We had a higher low at 18,500. And then another higher low here at 18,911. So that's the area we need to watch right there. See if we can get continuation to the upside. If not, we're most likely going to go down and look at that $18,500 range. So that's just what I had for you today, guys. Be safe out there. God bless you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Take care.